Hello, engineers. How many of you want to get into Indian Armed Forces as an officer? I mean, in Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. Most of the engineers don't know about these opportunities in Indian Armed Forces. So, in this video, I am going to explain about the different kinds of entry available in Indian Armed Forces and how you can get selected as an officer in Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. Time to time, there is notifications regarding this, and many people don't know about that. They can get in the respective website of Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. Who want get updated information, so you can follow me. The most advantageous thing for engineers is that they get direct call letter for the SSP interview. Other graduates, they have to go through the CDS, Combined Defense Service Examinations, that is a common entrance test, where their people will be shortlisted and called for the SSP interview. But engineers can directly get the SSP interview. That is the advantage. Even as a graduate, engineers can also apply for CDS and then also they can enter. But there is no requirement. They can directly call looking at their qualification and the required eligibility for getting into SSP call letter. Services Selection Board, 5 days test will be conducted on psychology, group task, and the personal interview, and like that conference and all those kind of things. And if you want to know more detail about that, also I have written a book, Your Officer Material, and you can search in Amazon for that. And I also will give the link in the description so that you can buy it and read it. So there is two type of commission at the entry level itself. They will decide whether have to send for the permanent commission or a short service commission. In permanent commission, you will be selected for full service, for a full service, eligible for pension and other facilities. In short service commission, you will be selected for a short period of time. After that, you may not be eligible for the pension, but you will be getting other ex-serviceman benefits in that, and you have an option to extend that also. And you may also get the permanent commission. So what the engineers has to do is that those people who are in the final year and pre-final years of engineering studies, they can look out, they can watch for this kind of notifications coming for applying these posts. And you can see that the pay and perks and other facilities you are going to get is excellent. And you know that uniformed service has a glamour, honor, and privilege. It has its own charisma. So you can get into that even when you become an engineer. And nowadays, the engineer in the armed forces become more technical. So technical people getting more important. Even the today's warfare also more based on the technical gadget and technical equipments and all those kind of things. So engineers have a very good role to play. And there is different kinds of technical equipments nowadays available. Now, even the forward areas where man has to fight in the forefront, they are using drones and all those things. So different kinds of fighting teams have formed nowadays. Like, forward personal view, like that, people will be wrecking the enemy places using drones and all those kind of things. So more technical things getting into the normal fighting arm itself. So engineers generally selected for technical support, and they have their own role to play. Every year, 2 times they call for different kinds of entries. In Army, they call for short service commission technical 2 times in a year. Both men and women are eligible for that kind of entry. So that's generally for short service commission. And for permanent commission, that is a technical graduate course. That also every year 2 times they call for the interview. That's about the army entry. So you have totally 4 time you can apply in any year. That is, one is technical graduate course. For that 2 times the applications are called. And for short service commission technical, for that also 2 times applications are called. And the same way, Navy have their short service commission application also. They do every year 2 times normally. So you can apply for that. Air Force, they have AFCAT, that is Air Force Common Admission Test. There they are called for the short service commission. Both male and female are eligible for that. And other than this, those people, some people, you can apply through the NCC entry also. Special entry for NCC people are available. And also you can apply through CDS also. Combined Defense Service Examination will be held. Through that also, you can become eligible for SSB. There's a lot of opportunities available in the Indian Armed Forces. As I know, almost thousands of vacancies are available altogether. In every year, vacancies are open and they are having difficulty in getting the right kind of candidates. You can apply for that and you can definitely succeed in getting into the services. I wish you all the best. And for regular updates on which all time they are calling for application, I will upload a video on that. Follow my channel so that you will get those informations on time. And also I will be giving the necessary guidelines and guidance for you people, examinations and tests. So thank you very much for listening. And I wish all the best for those people, those engineers who want to be in Indian Armed Forces. Jai Hind.